Hi guys!
Welcome back, everybody.
Welcome back. So today we are actually going into, can you even see it? Oh, we're going into Homegoods.
No,
there's a huge SUV next
giant car just parked next to us.
So we're going into Homegoods. It's pouring down rain. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the rain. I've been really looking forward to this. Haven't been to Homegoods in quite a while. There's so many things I could get today. Before I do like my Christmas tour and all that stuff, I have to continue the Christmas decorating videos, and I have a really good feeling about all of the stuff Homegoods is going to have today. So we're gonna head in there for that, but also on top of that, working on finishing our house, which is just a never-ending project. So if we find anything good for the house, gonna grab it, you know.
Why not?
Like not Christmas related stuff. So anyway, we're gonna head in, bring you guys along today. Hopefully we find some amazing things, and let's go. It's Christmas. It's Christmas at Homegoods. You can see the trees. Okay, here is all the holiday stuff. And they have all of the Christmas things out. Tons of little trees. Look at this. Tons of wreaths, tons of garland. Look at these humongous ornaments. Kind of feeling overwhelmed. Oh my goodness. Look at these sequin trees. These are so cool. How much are they? Tall ones, 25. That's fun. Okay, I need to find some garland for my fireplace, for my mantle. So let's see if we can find some. I'm just like, oh my goodness, I have to get a snow globe too. Oh my goodness, okay. Wow, so many cool things. I feel like I need him. How cute is he? Does he light up? Oh my goodness. Oh, he does. It's 80 bucks. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. Joshua, look at that.
Oh yeah.
For the front porch. $79.99?
Yep.
I'll make my own. Goodness sake. This is so cute for like hanging people's Christmas cards and stuff on that. That is so fun. I actually made one of these a couple years ago. My mom has it. She uses it. But yeah, that's really cute. I don't know how much it is. Now I gotta look at all these garlands because there's a ton of them. Tons of wreaths. I think I'm good on wreaths. Gotta check the garlands. I know that I said we have enough wreaths, but look at this one. I mean, does it get any better than that? I have to find garland for our fireplace mantle. Oh, I thought this was fun. This is like a really cool swag. This is cool. For $29.99.
Oh wow.
Not for the mantle, but it's cool. Oh my goodness. Now this is beautiful. Love that. This could look cute in the kitchen. I might just have to grab that.
Yeah, in front of the window?
Yeah.
What'd you find?
This, only $29.99. Garland for the table or our fireplace. I love it. Joshua said it sheds a little too much, which I can see that. I'm covered. But I do love it. So if I can find something like this. Just in case.
Yeah, let's take it home just in case.
Who would have known that UGG has tree skirts now? I bet those are so soft. $200? Whoa. But looks like it would be pretty. For the Ray Dunn lovers, look at these little baskets they already have put together with like little tiny little plates in there and then chocolate, snack mix. So adorable. This is, I gotta find a price. $29.99, but I actually think that's a really good deal because it comes with like a large plate at the bottom too. That's a really good gift idea, but they have other little baskets too. Oh, this one's adorable. This one has like a cheese board. I love that. I see some more garlands over here. I'm gonna see if anything would work for my mantle or even my dining room table. The tree in that room is a little more colorful, so I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I almost want something like more plain that doesn't have this stuff in it so I can add in my own things. But yeah, I don't know. Nothing's speaking to me. I wasn't planning on heading into the furniture just yet, but then this caught my eye. This sofa was here before and I asked about it and it was already sold. What do you think about it?
Pretty color.
I mean, now my house is filled with sofas. What do you think for a leather sofa? Because you're not really a leather sofa guy.
It's really comfy.
Is it? Oh my goodness.
Put it in the basement. In my area.
Just where everything is going, in the basement. Oh.
This might already be sold.
It is $1,300. It is kind of expensive.
Just disappointment. All the dogs would ruin it.
Oh, they would totally ruin it. But it is beautiful. There is more Christmas stuff. These are really, really large wreaths. Like huge. That one is so
gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I love it. Hey, and they have some tree colors here too. They are $80. I guess my Target $40 one was pretty good. Okay, now time to look for some good art. This is always like my most like favorite thing to do in Homegoods, but also the scariest. We still need a mirror for each side of our bed. We can get these. Oh no, those are different. This is extremely beautiful, right?
Mm-hmm.
I love that. It's a little glittery for my taste, but do you see a price? I don't see a price.
I don't see a price.
It was worth a shot.
Oh, it's right there in the top left.
Oh, $129.99. The only piece of art that I found that I really like is this one. It's $130. We don't really know where we would put it. But Joshua's not crazy about it. But I like it. Why don't you like it?
It's too circular.
I think it's nice. Now this tree is cool. I love the trend of like having trees in like baskets and planters and stuff. I just think it looks more modern and kind of different. This one's $200 pre-lit. I think that's a pretty cool little tree. And every time I'm here, I have to take a look at the rugs just to see what they have. Oh, this one is awesome. You know, I was kind of thinking I wanted something with a slight little bit of color where our new West Elm sofas are. This is awesome. The only problem is it's like an 8x10. It's a great price. And for really that room, I need a 9x12. But I love the colors. Like it's like muted colors. I kind of like this one. It's $3.99. This is 9x12. Boy, this is humongous. It is huge, but I kind of like it. Okay, but it's not yelling at me. They have a ton of gift boxes out. I love just getting a good gift box, and then you really don't have to do too much, but they have some really adorable ones. But yeah, they have some cute ones. Or even like these ones for clothes and stuff are nice. They come in like a pack for $3.99. Those are always nice too. I just got some at Target, but these ones are cute too. I like that one. How much is that one?
$4.99.
That's half the prices I paid at Target. Oh,
This
what
has
a
8 cups and
disappointment.
sleeves.
Oh, he sees you when you're drinking. Oh, and there's ones with the little doggies. What's this? Oh, family crackers. Aw. Oh, I love these little bags. Those are cute. They have a lot of gift bags in.
Glitter everywhere.
Bows galore. Oh my goodness. So I was thinking I need a basket to put like little throw blankets in and stuff. This one is really calling my name. For some reason I feel like my mom bought this one. I think she did. But I do really like it. Something sort of modern. Ooh, sort of like that. This one's kind of different. Could be kind of cool. It's 25 bucks. Oh, they have UGG ones too. They have so much UGG stuff here. Those are 60 bucks. This one, I was just telling Joshua, it's almost like, hey, we're a basket, but like, we don't need a real basket. We just need this.
And the fact that you have to explain yourself to get that one is why I'm voting for that one.
Okay, we'll get this one. I don't think I've ever seen an acrylic bar stool. That's pretty cool. They have some little marble and black little tables. Oh, this is only like 50 bucks. Cute.
So I was driving this semi real quick.
Oh my goodness. We have a problem. Joshua just found the coolest thing ever. It's an actual Swell bottle. Pull it out again. Oh, this is the real deal, folks. How much is it here?
$24.99.
Hey, I think that's a good price. What's the regular price on it?
Doesn't say.
I think they're more expensive than that.
I was hoping it'd be more. There's another one. Oh, there's another one.
Maybe it's more like manly looking.
Okay. Here's the second one.
Is it cool? No.
There's one more, everyone.
Okay.
Come on, come on. Be camo. It's the same one.
Look at all of the special ornaments. They have so many like little special ones. Those are pretty. I just found this beautiful coffee table book. I have a little bit of addiction to coffee table books. I mean, I don't have a coffee table in either of our living rooms, but we have our bookshelves now. This is $60 though, so I don't know if it's worth it, but it's really pretty. It's like really pretty colors and stuff. And then we ran into all of these games. Like they have like a giant Scrabble. I think it's like 150 bucks. It's expensive. There was like a really big Monopoly around here too, but I know Joshua would love that. So this is basically the aisle of Joshua's dreams. So many games. So many games. And a dartboard. Hey, we don't have one of these. These
Yeah,
are
it's,
cool.
it's like a book and it opens up.
Oh, that's what you're looking at, the Clue one. Is it cool? Like, do we need it for our bookshelves? Or no?
We'd have to get a bunch of them.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
They do look nice. Like it's literally just like looks like a book.
Yeah.
And then you open it up and the whole board game's inside.
Just got back in the car.
Hey everybody.
The lady at checkout, she's very nice. I see her like every single time I'm there. She was like, "Are you guys designers? I see you in here a lot." But no, I'm
Can we be?
in Homegoods a lot. I was like, well, I'm designing my home. I guess in a way, we sort of are designers.
By we, I mean her, because all my ideas are hilarious.
I got quite a few of things.
It's the way to do it. We're also English professors.
I got a few things. I think I'm gonna save it all for a haul. Keep a lookout for that. It'll probably be my next video. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. They had some really good stuff. But I think I need to come back one more time before Christmas because I feel like they're gonna have a lot more Christmassy things. I've seen it more packed for Christmas before. So anyway, I'm probably gonna do another one, but hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you really soon in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.